Hello, everyone. I'm Fred Abrahams from Human Rights Watch, and I want to congratulate YASA on its 10-year anniversary. It's very significant, and your work is so important. Human Rights Watch has benefited greatly from the cooperation and collaboration with YASA. And I think there are two aspects of YASA's work that are significant. The first is to remain independent, objective, and impartial in any situation, and especially in a conflict today in the Middle East, in Syria, and on the Kurdish regions where there are so many partisan and political voices, so many pressures to be pulled in one direction or another, and YASA has succeeded to stay in the middle and do its work professionally, independently, and therefore gain a great credibility. And the second point is YASA's activities on the ground. It's easy to criticize from a distance. There's a lot to criticize, but YASA does more than that. They are conducting trainings. They are going to these areas even when they're dangerous and difficult, like in northern Syria. And they are working with people concretely to improve the situation. So it's a combination of their expertise and their active involvement to improve that makes them extremely valuable in this difficult time. And I wish them many more years of successful work. Congratulations.